I think the Jews in my family, as far back as I, were fighters. And I think that that was there. And there was a sense of righteousness. It's really what's in the Bible, but it's in all the Bibles, and people don't do it. We understand that. I was recently interviewed by people from Holland who wanted to do a philosophical kind of thing, and they asked if there would always be prejudice. And I said, yes. It is in human nature. You need to make yourself feel this much bigger than somebody. So you are, by comparison, somebody. And we will always find a way to do that. When they would say Jews and dogs need not apply in the 30s to all the advertisements for jobs. And I spent so much of my life knowing about denied, not allowed, go here, die, and so on, that I have always felt deeply that it is a need. It's a human need. I will feel better if I make you feel worse. If you are, I make you be worse. So I think it'll always be here. We'll find something. We'll find some way